sigma A cot A is equal to 2 times R plus R. We have to prove left hand side is sigma A cot A. This is 2R sin A for A cot A cos A by sin A. Cancelling sin A, sigma 2R cos A, 2R is kept out of sigma, sigma cos A. Cos A plus cos B plus cos C, we have done in one of the questions earlier. I am repeating that part, please concentrate. 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2, that is 2 cos A plus B by 2 cos A minus B by 2, and this is 1 minus 2 sin square C by 2. Cos A plus cos B, 2 cos A plus B by 2 cos A minus B by 2 plus 1 minus 2 sin square C by 2. Proceeding to R, 2 cos C by, sin C by 2 cos A plus B by 2 cos A minus B by 2 minus 2 sin square C by 2. Your 1 I have kept in the end here. Two sin C by 2 for cos A plus B by 2 cos A minus B by 2 minus 2 sin square C by 2 plus 1. Please see here, 2 sin C by 2 is common in this part. Understand once again, 2 sin C by 2 common. So cos A minus B by 2 minus sin C by 2, 2 sin C by 2 here. Proceed. Cos A minus B by 2 minus cos A plus B by 2 for sin C by 2. Sin C by 2 as it is cos A minus B by 2. This is sin C by 2 as cos A plus B by 2. To R, here 2 sin C by 2. In one of the questions you have done earlier, cos A minus B minus cos A plus B, 2 sin A sin B. It is A by 2 B by 2, so I am writing A by 2 B by 2. 2 sin C by 2, this is cos A minus B minus cos A plus B, 2 sin A sin B, or 2 sin A by 2 sin B by 2 in this situation. This is 4 sin A by 2 sin B by 2 sin C by 2 plus 1. Let us open the bracket. 8R sin A by 2 sin B by 2 sin C by 2 plus 2R. This 2R multiplies 1, 2R. Rewriting this one, 2 times 4R sin A by 2 sin B by 2 sin C by 2 plus 2R. And you know this is R. This is R, this is 2 only, not R. 2, 4R sin A by 2, sin B by 2, sin C by 2, 2R plus 2R. 2 into r plus r, your right hand side. Another question, sigma r1 by bc is equal to 1 by r minus 1 by 2r, we have to prove. I have started left hand side, please see carefully. Multiplying and dividing by AR1 by ABC. ABC comes in all the terms, so I am removing ABC. AR. ABC comes in all the denominators, all the three denominators, so ABC is removed. We have a formula. ABC is equal to 4R delta. We have a formula for S tan A by 2 for A, S tan A by 2 for A, R1, S tan A by 2, A is as it is, I am for A I am writing 2R sin A. Understand once again, R1 by BC, A R1 by ABC, 1 by ABC, A R1, 1 by 4R delta in the place of ABC. See here the formula. R is equal to ABC by 4 delta. So for ABC I have written 4R delta. Sigma S tan A by 2 is written for R1, A is 2R sin A. Now S and 2R both will come out. They remain unaffected by sigma. So what is left out inside is tan A by 2 and sin A. Proceed. This is 2R cancelling here. S remains here by 2 delta. Check up the work carefully. 4R delta is written in the place of ABC, S tan A by 2 for R1, 2R sin A for A. Now this 2R and S both will come out here, leaving tan A by 2 and sin A. Proceed. After cancellation of R and R, 2 and 2 here, what is left out? S by delta. Sin A by 2 is tan A by 2, sin A by 2 by cos A by 2. And sin A is 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2. Multiple angles, submultiple angles formula. Understand clearly. Tan A by 2, sin A by 2 by cos A by 2, sin A 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2. This 2 comes out. To remove this 2, cos A by 2 cancels, leaving sin square A by 2. Sigma sin square A by 2. S by delta. Sigma sin square A by 2. See here. Sin square A by 2, there is a formula 1 minus cos A by 2. Earlier also we have used. I am quoting that formula here. In the case of cos square theta by 2, please recall this is 1 plus cos theta by 2. That formula also may be required in some question. I have written now sin square theta by 2 as 1 minus cos A by 2. Please see carefully. S by delta is written 1 by R because R is equal to delta by S. There is a formula. So I have got S by delta, hence 1 by R. Sigma cos A, I am opening it now. 1 minus cos A, 1 minus cos B, plus 1 minus cos C. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. minus cos A plus cos B plus cos C. In one of the questions you have proved cos A plus cos B plus cos C is 1 plus R by R. Please see here. I will write here. Open the bracket. One by 2R into 2, 1 by 2R into R by R. This is 1 by R minus 1 by 2R. Your right hand side. Now these two questions here, sigma cos square A by 2, sigma sin square A by 2. Please see here, sigma sin square A by 2 has already appeared. So we have already solved it, sigma sin square A by 2. Similarly, you have to solve and get that result. Sigma cos square A by 2, use that formula. Cos square A by 2, 1 plus cos A by 2 instead of 1 minus cos A by 2. We have taken 1 minus cos A by 2 for sin square A by 2. For cos square A by 2, you have to take 1 plus cos A by 2 here. And that formula, again you have to do the same thing, you will reach the result.